Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 25th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So on Friday, we had this big engulfing move to the downside at the 50% Fibonacci retracement of this move down right here. Last week, I was saying that it looks like we're potentially going to end up trending up for wave C of wave Y. Then we got this big impulsive move down at a Fibonacci level. So that definitely kind of changes things a little bit because the weekly time frame is definitely still down. Daily time frame made an engulfing move down at a Fibonacci level. If that really is like the end of a crescent right there, then the only thing it can be is a wave one, a wave two, and now we're in potentially a wave three. If we really are in a wave three, then this needs to be very impulsive because wave threes are supposed to be the biggest, strongest wave of a trend. So going down to like the 4 hour time frame, I definitely would be looking for shorts right now. I just would be a little bit cautious about this pattern because, like I said, overall we were bullish. We were thinking that we were going to go up for a wave C. So if, like I said, I think what we need to do is if this really is a wave three, then it needs to maintain downward momentum. It can make pullbacks on the 1 hour, 4 hour time frame, but it definitely needs to make lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. If it does anything besides making lower lows, lower highs, then it is not a wave three. I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move up right here to look for areas of resistance. We definitely did make it bounce at the 78%, but is that just a bounce pullback to the downtrend, or is it going to start making higher highs, higher lows? Definitely keep an eye on your highs and your lows because that's going to tell you a lot about what's going on. And definitely take whatever information you learn from analyzing the US dollar index and apply it to the US dollar pairs themselves. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.